So I thought I'd do a quick update before I get all the way through. I got the Millennium Falcon set at a discounted rate, but it came in bags, 3 big bags inside a box, and I'm having to go through and disassemble it. Oh, just dropped a piece. Let me get that real quick. Found it. So essentially what I'm doing is anything flat, it's getting broke down, going in there. Right, any of those, those. I'm separating everything. Anything flat goes in there. Now, if you know anything about Lego, you'll know that this is going to be the absolute hardest way to put this kit together. No bags to go by. No, just gonna have to dig through every time for what I want. Don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna try it. This is all that's left. Just sort some of this out. This one, and the final piece. All right, that's it. 7,541 pieces. Sorted and ready to start putting together. There's a bit of a size reference for the book. I think I'm gonna build a piano stand for this thing to sit up at the edge of my desk. But for now, let's get started. We're gonna get one of these. These crap. That won't work. That's how hard this is gonna be. I have to dig for every piece. And there is step number 1. Only, I don't know, 490 something pages to go. This is gonna be interesting. Stay tuned to see how it goes.